In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix profile lock option is not showing up. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and like this video. First, open your Facebook app and go to your profile. Now click on the third icon. Then you will see no profile lock option will appear here. Let me show you how you can get it. Now enter back to the previous step and click on this menu icon. After coming to this menu page, scroll down and expand settings and privacy and tap on settings. Once you have the settings and privacy page, then scroll down and find post and click on it. Now tap on who can see your future post and make it friends and save the changes. Now again go to your Facebook profile and click on this third icon. Now tap on turn off professional mode and click on continue. Again click on turn off button. Lastly, click on close button. Once you turn off professional mode, then it refresh this page. Then you will see profile lock option will appear here. Now tap on it and click on lock your profile. By following this tutorial, you can easily fix profile lock option is not showing up.